Hello and welcome to the channel. Bear with me, I'm a Swede. This is my first video in English. So yeah, I will sound like this, sorry. But I have acquired Davinci Resolve. Why? Because I needed automatic captions to my Swedish videos. I had Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is costly. If you want captions and the AI features, it's like $38 a month. My good friend tipped me about Davinci Resolve. I looked at it and it became obvious that I had to buy the studio version. The studio version is 4,000 Swedish kroners, about 380 bucks US, but it's a lifetime license. And then you get the goody AI caption automatic features that I really needed. But I searched all over YouTube to find how the automatic caption works. And it's hundreds of videos about how it works in English. In Swedish or other languages, not so much. But here I am, and I'm gonna show you how it works in Swedish, because I jumped the gun and bought the program. So I will just change out my living room, video capture. There, and here we will see, I will move in my test example here. This will be me speaking in Swedish. So to make your captions, you just press in with the I key and to the end of the clip. Zoom in out. Mark the clip, choose timeline, create subtitles from audio. Choose your language. They have added Swedish. So good. And just click create. Whoop. 2 seconds later. Here are captions. I will play the clip now. From the beginning. So. Hej! Det här är ett testexempel på hur Davinci Resolve studioversionen klarar automatiserad textning på svenska. Detta sköts helt via AI och är bara 2 knapptryckningar bort. For you who knows Swedish, you can see that this was perfect. The timings is right, the spelling is right. I have used this for my 36-minute long video. It took about 50 seconds to place out all the captions, and it was 90-95% correct. You have to, in such long videos, do some editing, but the editing is fantastic. You just pick the captions you want and just change it, and you see it live. If you want to change the placement on the track, or the sizing, how the different fonts will be, or the positioning, you just do it and it works. It's like magic. We'll jump back to OBS. There. So, yes, it does cost 380 bucks. Is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. It saves. It's crazy how much time it saves, because I tried to make captions manually, and it works, but it would take a couple of years for me to make that 36-minute long video. Davinci Resolve Studio, 50 seconds for 36 minutes of almost perfect captions. You have to spell it. Check it. do some corrections with some words and stuff, but it works. So instead of paying between 35 and 60 bucks a month for the Adobe products, just shelf out 380 bucks for Davinci Resolve Studio. You get the AI features. I have just shown the captions here, the automatic captions, and how it works in Swedish, because I haven't found a video that showed that, but it's perfect. In English, it's already perfect, but it's a lot of free options if you want English subtitles. Swedish, not so much. But with Davinci Resolve, you get the renowned features in coloring and so much. I am a total amateur in this program, but as an amateur, it's amazing how easy it is. So I can only recommend it. I do not get money from Davinci Resolve Studio. Can't even remember their name right now. But I just want to help people in showing how it works in another language than English. And if you're wondering what kind of crazy channel this is, it's a relationship channel in Swedish. So you Swedes out there, check it out if you want. If you found this material helpful, press the like button, comment if you have questions, and subscribe if you're Swedish and would like to see some relationship videos. So, thank you and have a great evening now. Bye bye. I just thought of a bonus. I will try the automatic caption, but I will set the language in auto mode and I will switch between Swedish and English. Så då kan vi se hur det funkar when you are going to do it this way. För att jag vet ju inte riktigt ifall AI hänger med då. But if it works, it's crazy good. But I have to try it maybe 2 minutes. So this is just an end bonus. Så ni kan faktiskt sluta när ni vill. But for the sake of it, I have to talk for about 1 minute longer. As I told you, det här är min kanal och nu läser ni text som ni inte riktigt kan understand. But if you check the captions out, I think I will try to translate mina ord till engelska, och när jag pratar engelska så kan jag översätta till Swedish. So you have to follow in the captions what I'm saying. För att det hade varit väldigt coolt ifall programmet känner igen svenska and English this good. I think I have to edit some of the subtitles because it's AI. Det är inte alltid så jättesmart. Men det hade varit väldigt fräckt. Vi börjar närma oss 2 minuter gränsen, så jag hoppas att ni har haft en wonderful time watching this video. As I said, if you're from Sweden, please check out the rest of the channel. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't. Men tack så mycket och god kväll. Ha det fint.